भारत चीन के बीच लद्दाख बॉर्डर पर तनाव अब भी जारी है। ईस्टर्न लद्दाख में एलएसी पर भारत और चीन के सैनिक डटे हुए हैं। ऐसे में दोनों देशों के बीच अगले दौर की वार्ता की तारीख कभी भी आ सकती है। इस बीच सेना प्रमुख मनोज मुकुंद नरवणे ने एक प्रेस वार्ता के दौरान चीन की स्थिति, पाकिस्तान की साजिश और भारत की तैयारी पर अपना बयान दिया। उन्होंने बताया कि पाकिस्तान और चीन दोनों ही एक बड़ा खतरा हैं।
Collusive threat exists. This is not just something which was part of some strategy paper or loud thought process, but it is very much manifesting itself on the ground. There is indeed increased cooperation between China and Pakistan in both military and non-military fields, and a two-front threat is very much something that we have to be prepared to deal with. And in dealing with such a threat, we will of course have to see which is the more serious threat and prioritize and deal with that first.
साथ ही उन्होंने बताया कि जहां दोनों सेनाओं के बीच टकराव की स्थिति बनी हुई है, वहां से दोनों ही सेनाएं पीछे नहीं हटी।
The PLA troops come to their traditional training areas to carry out their training. With the onset of winters and at the completion of this training period, these troops have also, those training areas have been vacated, and since those training areas have been vacated, it would be fair to assume that those troops who had come, who were in the depth areas on the Tibetan plateau, have gone back to their garrisons, and that is the reduction in the strength on the plateau, in the Tibetan plateau, that has taken place. However, there has been no decrease in strength either on their side or on our side as far as the friction points are concerned.
सेना प्रमुख के मुताबिक पूर्वी लद्दाख में स्थिति में कोई बदलाव नहीं आया है। उन्होंने बताया कि पूर्वी लद्दाख ही नहीं बल्कि सभी उत्तरी सीमाओं पर भारतीय सेना चौकन्नी है।
It is not only eastern Ladakh, but we have maintained a high state of alertness all along our northern borders. And as of now, keeping the threat perception in mind, we have gone in for our winter posture and our winter deployment. But as I said, we are alert and ever ready to meet any challenges. 8 rounds of talks between the corps commanders have taken place. We are now awaiting for the dates for the 9th round of talks, and I am sure that through dialogue and discussion, we will be able to reach an amicable solution.
अपने बयान में नरवणे ने इस बात को दोहराया कि सेना का मनोबल बढ़ा हुआ है और दोनों देशों के बीच चल रही वार्ताओं से हमें सुलह की उम्मीद है। वहीं पाकिस्तान पर नरवणे ने कहा कि ये आतंकवादी गतिविधियों को जारी रखे हुए है, जिसका जवाब हम अपने हिसाब से देते रहेंगे।
Pakistan continues to embrace terror and terrorism as an instrument of state policy. However, we are very clear that we have zero tolerance for terror, and we reserve our right to respond at a time and place of our own choosing and with precision. And this is a clear message that we have sent across.
बता दें, भारत और चीन के बीच 8 दौर की वार्ताएं हो चुकी हैं और 9वें दौर की बातचीत जल्द होने वाली है।